Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the best deals for this Sunday. This is a really good ad, so I try to get the best items I saw, but I think there's more good items out there still. So you could just don't forget to check out my blog in case I continue to post newer deals. So let's just get started. This Sunday we're expecting some good coupons for this ad, and this is one of them. Colgate's going to be a special for $2.99. You could use one of the coupons deducting 50 cents off one, so you pay $2.49, but when you buy one you will get back 2 ECB, making it just 49 cents. For this deal you could mix and match. If you spend 20 you get back 5, so I'm going to be sharing with you a deal for the Lysol specifically, since it's buy one get one. So buy 8, 4 of those you're going to pay $4.99. The other ones are going to be free, so your total will be $19.96. Then you can use 8 coupons. There's printables and there's also the smart stores, so deduct 50 cents off one. Do read the instructions to find prints, because sometimes there is a limit on those coupons. So in order to apply to the coupons restrictions, it's good to combine them with printables and the one from the smart stores as well. Once you have all those coupons, you pay $15.96. You get back 5 ECB when you spend 20. Your total will be $10.96, or just $1.37 each. Another one that's going to be on special is the Purex, but you won't get any back ECB. So it will be for $2.49. Use the coupon that we're also expecting this Sunday, deducting 50 cents, so you pay $1.99. If you really want to make a bigger deal, you could buy $20 worth and submit it to Saving Star as well. Another great deal is combining Persil and Snuggle. And this is make sure you do activate the Saving Star offer before heading out to the store, and make sure that the Saving Star is linked to your CVS card. I didn't see any restrictions on it on the Saving Star app. It just says spend 20 get 5. So if that's the case, here's a deal scenario. Buy 3 of the Persil for $4.94. That will be $14.82. Buy 2 of the Snuggle, which is 2 for $6, and your total will be $20.82. Use 4 coupons deducting off 2. You pay $12.82, but you get back 5 ECBs when you spend 20, and also it should be able to give you back 5 from Saving Star. If it all works well, your total will be $2.82, or just 50 cents each item. I think it's a great time to stock up for the M&Ms. It's going to be a special 2 for $5, and you should also be getting a coupon on when you scan your CVS card. And so what you could do is buy 2. Use that coupon that is printing when you scan your card, and also use a coupon from Red Plum 225 deducting 1 as well. You pay $3 in the register. Also submit it to iBoda. It says any M&M, so you should be able to get back $1.50. After the ECBs and the iBoda rebate, your total is going to be $1.50, or just 75 cents each back. That is a pretty good deal. Another deal is spend 20 get 5. So I'm sharing with you a Scott deal, since this is the count tissue from 9 to 18 roll. So you buy 3 for $6.99. Your total will be $20.97. Use 3 coupons. It could be printable or a smart store expecting this Sunday, deducting 75 cents each. So you'll pay $18.72, but you get back 5 ECB. And you can submit it to Checkout 51 or Saving Star, which is going to give you back $1. So your total will be $12.72, or just $4.24 each pack. If you got this CVS CRT deducting 2 of 6 on body wash, you could use it and it will be a good deal. So buy 3 of the Irish Spring for $3.99. Your total will be $11.97. But use 3 coupons that is also expected on this Sunday's paper of $1 each, and also use that CVS CRT deducting 2. So in the register you pay $6.97, but you get back 5 ECB when you buy 3. Your total will be $1.97, or 60 cents each item. Another great deal is the Rimmel. You really don't need any coupons, and this is the item that I saw that is a lot cheaper for $4.29. So buy 2. Your total will be $8.58. That's how much you pay in the register, but you get back 5 ECB when you buy 2. And your total will be $3.58, or just $1.79 each liner. This is another great deal, but this one is for the Fiji Water 700 count. So this one is a little bit the bigger bottle. You could buy 2 for $3, and you could use still those 2 coupons that we did get back a few Sundays back, deducting 50 cents off one. And you pay $2 for both, or just $1 for each bottle. I really like when we get this deal, but unfortunately I never get the BOGO coupon. But if you do get it, what you could do is buy 2 of the Johnson's baby item. So what the prices I have seen is $5.39, but they do range. If you do get the $5.39, get 2 of those items, your total will be $8.09, since buy one get one 50% off. You could use that BOGO coupon, but here's the deal. Most cases, when you have a BOGO coupon and you do your CVS couponing early in the morning, they normally deduct the max value. And the coupon, the max value, I believe, is $6.99. If that's the case, then this will be a really affordable, great deal. But if they do deduct the amount of $5.39, your total will be $1.35 each. There's 2 different Dove hair care that I'm going to be sharing with you. This one is the one that we saw also last week. It's buy 2 for $8. You can use a coupon deducting of 3. So in the register, you're going to pay $5 after the coupon has been applied. You get back 2 ECB when you buy 2, so your total will be $3 or just $1.50 each Dove hair care. This one is Dove Derma Care, so this one is 2 for $10. The coupon is different as well, so you could use 2 of those, deducting 2 off each. So in the register, you're going to pay $6. You get back 2 ECB when you buy 2, so your total will be $4 or just $2 each bottle. Maybelline, it will be buy 2 get 5 ECB. So here's an idea. The single eyeshadow, you could buy 2 of those. In my store, they're $3.99, so that'll be $7.98 total, deducting $2 off. Coupons, I'll pay $5.98, but I get back 5 ECB, making it 98 cents or just 49 cents each. If you still have that last week's CRT deducting 2 off 2, it will be a money maker. Here's another idea. You do want to buy the foundation. You could buy the single eyeshadow, the foundation, and use a coupon for the foundation and 1 for the eyeshadow. So you will pay $8.98 after the coupons have been applied. You get back 5 ECB, so your total will be $3.98 or just $1.99. But I think that will be free, just $2 if you do have that coupon. Covergirl was offering this BOGO printable coupon. I'm going to put the link as well in case it's still available. So there's so many combinations you could do. Here's an idea. You could buy the concealer for $5.99. Your total will be $11.98. Use that coupon, so you should deduct $5.99. So that will be your total in the register. You get back 5 ECB when you buy 2. But you could also submit it and make sure that you activate your offer in Savings Star, deducting off 2. So that will be a total free and $1.01 money maker. If you prefer to try out the new items from Covergirl, they are ranging from $11.99 to $12.99. This is a few of the items I have seen. So this is an idea. If you buy 2 of those, it will be $25.98. The BOGO printable does have a limit of $9.99, a max value up to. So it will deduct $9.99. So you will pay in the register $15.99, but you get back 5 ECB. And also make sure you activate your Savings Star, so your total will be $8.99 or just $4.50 for all those items. But that is if they do deduct $9.99 in the register. Here's another new item. It's been out, I think, a few months now, but some stores have been a little bit more now available. You could buy 1 of those items that is good for your eye, for your skin, for $9.99. There's no coupons needed. Since you do need to reach 10 to get a 7 ECB, it would just be $2.99. The Garnier mask, the prices do range. Sometimes I've seen it for $2.89 up to $3.19. So the ones that I do see the most is $3.09. So let's say that is the price in your store. So your total will be $6.18 when you buy 2. No coupons needed. That's how much you'll pay in the register. But you get back 3 ECB when you buy 2. So your total will be $3.18 or just $1.59. But if you do have the CRT that printed last week on Sunday, deducting 2 off 2 any Garnier facial, you could use that CRT, so you'll pay not $4.18. You get back 3 ECB when you buy 2, so your total will be $1.18 for both, or just 59 cents each. As you can see, this is a really good week. There's so many great offers. I'm going to be also posting on my blog the complete ad in case you want to see the whole ad. So I'm going to provide the link in the description box too. And I'm also going to share any printable coupons that are available. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, I invite you to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and happy savings. Bye.